Hola, hola, I'm Désirée Iturbide and today I'm going to show you how to draw a dolphin underwater. So I'm going to make the water line first, and now we're going to make an ellipse. This is going to be the body. We will divide this in two. Here is a triangle for the upper fin, and on the lower part there are two fins. We're gonna end the triangle in this line. So the triangles go like this. And the other one is in the back. We have another ellipse for the nose. And the tail is also like a triangle. We're gonna do this a little bit curved because their bodies are always like bending when they swim. And we have two triangles for the tail. The eye is close to the nose. Now basically we just need to unify everything and make it a bit curvy. So we have the upper fin, and then the body goes like this, the tail like a mustache, belly, one fin, the other fin, and finish here with a very nice smile. They look like they are smiling. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And there are lots of them to come.